Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can read news on investing.com. To do so, first of all, just open up a Google browser and then search for investing.com on your search browser. Here, after searching for investing.com, it will take you to the official website of investing.com. From here, you can either sign up to your account, or even without signing up, you'll be able to read the news that is available on this page. Here's the news option. If you hover over your mouse, you can see these options pop up. For now, just click on news and you'll be transported to the news section of investing.com. Now scroll down until you see the type of news that you want to read, and after liking or after getting the news they want to see, just click on it and you'll be able to read the news available here, like this one. And that is a simple process on how you can read news on investing.com. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.